front of me is REALME GT3 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on Privacy Controls. Select Permission Manager and tap on any of your device's features you wish to manage, like Camera. Then tap on one of your apps under one of those sections. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. I want to go with from not allowed one. Finally, apply one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. When you finished, go back. As you can see, after that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using my browser. But you can always go back. Pick any feature just to find an app you wish to manage and click on it. Then instead of selecting one of those options, scroll all the way down to click on See All Permissions and manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!